Okay, people, welcome back to my channel, Pidgin House Niger. Yeah, our content are mostly in Pidgins, but I guess we use English, if I guess any of our guests like. So today, the second day of the lockdown, the quarantine of the entire Lagos state, including Abuja and Ogun State, to curtail
FCT.
An FCT, that's Abuja.
Yes.
Yeah. To curtail this coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, what it sounds so. So 2 days ago, federal government declared the Lagos State, FCT, and Ogun State as a quarantine area. So they shut down the whole state. Anyway. So today is the second day. So for 2 weeks, families will get together, at home, in their various homes. Say don't take. And some companies say don't close before now. Some companies don't close a week before this 2 weeks where government give. So some people will spend 3 weeks for house, as it be so. So today, I have a guest here, my friend and brother, Mr. John. So I want some the impact where this 2 weeks lockdown, stay at home, go get on the family, would be on the family, the positive impact. Because they say in every situation, every bad situation, there's always a good part of it. There's always one good thing out of a bad situation. So we don't say this quarantine thing that to just this sickness all the time. So, but waiting family if you gain from all this as they spend 2 weeks for house. So my friend here, John, will break down, tell us what thing in feel say families will feel gain out of this situation. So over to you.
Give a baby. Thank you very much. The coronavirus that is ravaging the whole world is not a new thing in Nigeria. The fear of coronavirus, some people may say is the beginning of wisdom. Okay. So in Nigeria, yeah, it's not a new thing. That has led to the total shutdown of Lagos State. I think as a family, the people that will benefit, the people that are benefiting from this, a lot of them are some children that doesn't see their parents often. Okay. Because if you look at Lagos, there are some parents that they will leave house to work very early, as 5 o'clock early in the morning, and come back around 11 or to 12 at night. Before that time, the children must have gone to bed to sleep. Then in the morning, 5 o'clock, the parent will wake up and dress and go to work. The children, when they wake up in the morning, they only see the nanny, or you call it house help. So many of them, for some months, they happily set their eyes on their parents. So now the coronavirus has caused Lagos State to shut down business, work, everything for 2 weeks. I think those kind of children, they are the ones that will benefit. For them to see you imagine that a child staying in a house for 3 months, a whole month, doesn't see the father or the mother because of work-related issue. So now that everybody is at home, so they will be able to see their dad. I think they are the one that will benefit.
Yeah. So I mean, the children will get to know their parents. So bonding go there. When they say bonding, I have to say children will know say, now my dad be this is my dad. So the dad too will have time. Or this is my mom. They will have time to go through their children's books, say how are you, Because sometimes they say some children really know their papa because their papa will not anyone to come back in the middle of the night. So that means this situation will create a bonding. Children will know who their parents really are.
Yeah, of course. But the thing is that, some children, they like, the typical children, they like asking questions a lot.
Yeah.
They can ask you 3 questions at a time. You understand? Imagine a child wake up and tell the mother, Mommy, are you my sister? Or my, are you my sister or my father's friend? You understand? Are you my father's friend? What is your name? You understand? It's because they have not been having that time to spend with their children. You understand? The children doesn't wake up in the morning and set their eyes and say, okay, mommy, this my mommy or this my dad. Before they wake up, the parents have gone to work. Then the nanny will take them to school. We'll go and bring them back from school in the afternoon. We'll give them the meal in the evening to eat. Then they sleep before the parent will wake up. And the following day, the parent will wake up and dress and go to work before the children wake up. So in that situation, it will be difficult for, in a week, a child can only set eyes on the parent maybe once. Or at times they will not even see. So, you know, children, when they wake up and see somebody in, maybe just like this, that coronavirus has shut everybody in now. So the children will just wake up and see the mom and look at it. So that is another, is a relative. And now start asking questions. Auntie, what is your name? We imagine that kind of question. If you were a parent, you know how difficult to answer that question. Sure. And walk down, a child wake up and see if the father is somebody that have this beard, you understand? And wake up and see the parent and pick race. You understand that kind of thing?
So now according to you, the children benefit pass from this shutdown.
Yes, the children that are that is very happily before they see their parents. You understand? Because some of those parents, their work is very tedious. You understand?
Yeah, and considering traffic where they Lagos.
Yes.
You know, we can spend 4 hours in traffic.
Yes.
You know, so Lagos traffic. So that thank you so much. Thank you so much. The children have benefit pass from this shutdown. Thing. Also give time to newly married couples too.
Newly married couple.
So it's not a time to.
It's the time to get together. They will go for honeymoon and they will have time together in their house. And the people that you know, everything have advantage and disadvantage. You know, this coronavirus have course made some people even our politicians they can't travel out. You understand? They can't travel out. Because assuming it's only in Nigeria coronavirus is taking place, it's only in Nigeria that are experiencing coronavirus. But by now, all our politicians will have entered the next flight and fly out of Nigeria. But now it's everywhere, so everybody is in Nigeria now.
So this thing too will make maybe you know say some families get issues. Husband and wife they get issues because they go work, if not early morning. So now you get time to sit together to talk, to communicate. So that means this shutdown can give them that opportunity to do that.
The thing is that you know when a couple in a family, the couple, the both couples are working. You understand? Is understanding. You understand? When they understand themselves, you understand? It will make it easy. But in the situation where there is no understanding, you understand? No matter how they stay at home, even though it's 1 month they stay, that misunderstanding will still there because the first impression has been created already. You understand? So it will still continue. But a family that they understand, maybe they know what they are doing, and that relationship, that friendship is there. You understand? They will enjoy the 2 weeks now.
Wow. Oh wow, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Okon.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Oh, don't take it now, that is. Don't take it now.
It's just like this. We just to educate our viewers.
Yes. Alright, yes, thank you. Please make now subscribe so that more of these videos you get them first hand once I publish any for that video. Because we have so many stories to tell you, to talk about. Thank you so much, people. Bye.
You're welcome.